Across the bridge, the modern edition and the very last edition.
Oh my God.
Yes, the very last edition. Where I go get with Nedu and Becca Bliss. Nedu did the building right now. First of all, good news. Nedu is doing 500k giveaway on his page right now. The first 25 people to get
the spelling of his name.
Nedu,
Very
which is
simple.
Nedu, very simple, correctly. You go pick
Make
them.
her try.
No, you don't need that.
I don't. Now you did. Me when don't comment already. Me Nedu not fair pick me. First, now their problem.
He did very simple. For you to win the money, they very simple.
I don't.
Now only I will pick 25 people.
Yes. How many people?
Now only 2 people I don't see.
That means
So 23 people still remain.
Okay.
Just go the comments, type NEDU,
don't
put
spell
your
it.
account under. Some people they move go the right and can't give space. Can't go
Yes,
under.
because the teaching another interruption.
Without they do all
Without.
this interruption.
But wait, oh, you not go pick before I put account number. You not go pick first.
Now,
Okay, after I write Nedu, I can't put account number.
I'll put a number.
I thought you said you've done it already.
You can put it together, self. It make
Oh,
a
the way you write time, you know.
Go hack. If I put my account number, they not go hack me the way they hack Verydarkman. You know, say Nedu page na public page. Million people did here. Before they go commode the 5,215 naira where I get from my account.
You not put the 50
Now,
kobo
Nedu, I go send my account number to WhatsApp,
Separately.
please. I don't want stress because my own money not be NGO money. Before they can go NG my money come out. You get it is well. Welcome back. Welcome. Nedu, how are you doing? You are doing fine, right?
I do.
How na they do the NGO? Now don't find with help. You know, so now your guy actually.
I dey talk like this. Now what concern me?
Oh,
I not see money inside. Now I know they involved. Now.
Okay.
And my guy will not miss.
But I not go lie give you joke apart. I feel say they play with our feelings.
No, not
Because
be
since
here.
you
Don't
drop
they do
that
same
thing-
you? No, it's not here. They don't send message to our WhatsApp.
Me did hear the same message too.
Leave
Now you
them,
dey stretch
me.
yourself. Now
I
you
don't
dey
know why
answer
you
now.
stretch yourself.
Okay.
Person say Instagram page, they send message to
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp. So for that NGO, I feel because he never post. He never post. I'm not sure say he don't post anything since that, apart from that last minute. I'm talking about Verydarkman. So I feel say they play with our emotion. And when you see her Naija to react the same way you do with that car. When person post car, when he say he buy car, let's say he come, they laugh or say now so blogs they do. Say he just tells the car, go return car back to you. Now, so I feel say he want to play with our emotion. Part of me feel. I know say yes, they feel hack account through website, but not that easy. When you move away 180 million. And anyway, say don't trace whoever moved
But
the money,
police,
but 20
the police
million.
come and talk, say there was no any report.
Now the police for the state when he mention. So you know, say when something happen, they do. If I report for Abuja, if na Benue State it happen, the people police station for Benue State feel not they are aware. But na Abuja one I carry go. You be like some people when they come move Dalit that time. I feel so I say Lagos police be not there aware when they move and go Abuja. You get so I think that now why is it Benue State? He said just okay. So don't just I think they are not aware because he is working with the Abuja police. But part of the fee say they run experiments with our feeling. And I'll just give her like maybe now till like a week time to see if not really true. But then if not true there, they go find the money break from us. The way they do say okay,
the way they say,
like say okay, most see how the thing
No,
work.
I say I'm more weight now.
right.
You understand?
You have a lot of things to say, but at the same time,
Hold on.
okay, I know you, the you that I know. You have a lot to say, but at the same
No,
time,
you don't want to talk on air.
You understand?
You
Maybe
don't want
off
to talk
air.
They talk on air.
Hey.
No, say they do na elder statesman when they get in total
No be
information.
small. Now, why I talk, say that's in okay. There is a message.
I will hear say they do something for Jos for one school. Say they rearrange.
Yeah, they post one video one time.
So I believe say maybe now waiting.
He use the money do.
Maybe now what he use the money.
They play with us. Don't worry. They experiment with us. You know those social experiments when
But
they do to
I'm
see how
not saying
people go
say
react.
out of that 186, 78 don't they found, yeah. 78 million, don't they recover
You know, 78
something?
million.
Yes.
Where then drop out?
You give updates
Okay.
about time. Yes.
Oh
Yes.
wow.
So how many millions remain out of?
That's 102 now. I can't remember. 102
you go
million.
get
I
them
remember.
to
No, you go get the money.
You go get them.
You go recover the money.
You go get
Not be the airport that recover your money. You go feel recover your own. Man. Talk less of your own. You get me. I wish I were, and I hope very soon you not go make the mistake to the open websites where you go feel linked to account where person feel easily just collect money. Cause boys sharp for Nigeria. We get intelligent boys, so brilliant boys. what if you collect what not be their own? You get me? Brilliant boys.
Brilliant boys. And if you say you want to pay for your Netflix,
They will help
now
you.
their accounts. Now
Then the money go they enter.
Teacher and Netflix you they pay.
But you know, to be sincere, we have
the
just say
brightest mind.
the brightest. The country not give them that environment to use that legitimately. Now when they use it
you go
illegally,
enter websites. Say you want to pay websites. Money. Then go down clone the website. For example, now you want enter maybe Naija FM. They do something. You say okay, now go website. Go our website to go. You can't go there. Then go down clone them.
You look exactly the same thing.
The Naija FM where you go see the A. Our own feed they different.
Yes, you do and separately.
He
also get what I find
because
out
your mind now that you don't know.
Yes, he get what I know way back that year for street. Now every one of our guys, Orobosa, now even create and sell. That they call spam. When you go click a link, you go download something for your laptop. Guess what? Immediately you download enter your laptop. For my laptop, everything when you log in, your email, your password, you go the stuff on my notepad. That one don't take. He don't take. Now one young guy that you create that in that time. I know how many street boys that take. So you when you enter, they KKK my bank account. It's very secure.
That one don't take. You get the one with somebody who I been know that time they do. That one now your phone number.
So you don't take collect every other information.
Now the only thing where you need be that.
Oh, wow.
Once just say your phone, as long as another thing, you go know whether an iOS you they use, or been an Android you they use, so that you go know the kind of spamware to send to you. You get somewhere they go click, your phone go see the okay, you're not gonna know anything happen. But the thing, your phone don't they mirrored somewhere. Already. Everything where you they do for your phone.
We are brilliant mind in this country.
So that means it's not even safe putting your phone number just out there.
It may be
not 100%
safe, but at the same time, it's okay.
You know they wonder how these boys go call some old women say we send code to your phone and give us the code. And through that code they go wipe the people account.
Then go wipe their accounts come out. How you take their
like because they connect them to BVN and NIN.
All those ones join.
For them
it also be like social security number for America. Once scammers get your social security,
yes.
Gone, no. Once they get that your social security number, OT law. So I just wish sometime with this our brilliant mind when Nigeria youth get, we feel just put her to good use. But the environment does not even provide such arrangement for you to even use your brain well. That make any brilliant person now. The only way if you prosper and say you use them.
You want to compete against this thing. Moving on.
I don't know. I don't see one movie, The Day of the Jackal.
Yeah.
You know, hey, Twitter, to go watch that movie. What the?
Day of the Jackal, yeah.
The Day of the Jackal.
Yes.
So I thought they think now, because I remember at some point in that movie, they say if they catch the guy eventually, say they won't absorb him to their own government.
Yes.
I say for like a country, if they catch any assassin straight to.
Then they go poof you through.
Is that poof it away or they give you life imprisonment?
They know the hyper. They know they lie down. Most time when they catch this brilliant man. Not the one when EFCC chat by the time. If you never watch a game, the young boy was 18 years, he was able to do this. People like that can work for us. They know they lie down. If these people catch person when they brilliant, immediately
they absorb them.
They absorb them.
For Nigeria.
They're not
over Nigeria. I never see.
As a Nigeria.
No, now film.
I never
America
see.
We no not be film with it watch.
You get people with their IQ pass normal. When it be say no matter the kind of criminality that person do, you cannot afford to lock that person.
You go absorb that person.
Keep him, carry and enter. Keep him somewhere. Highest, he does the track everything with the person. But that person said, even as they track him, the person will get says past you. You still know how he go take maneuver. Except when I decide say no one do again.
Yeah.
If not be so. No, but see, take it or leave it. Nigerians get one of these brightest mind in the world. In all care what you want them.
No joke.
Wait, all the startups for different part of the world
they sell out now.
are Nigerians now.
Yeah.
Best act not be Nigeria. Most of
money,
almost all of them are Nigerians. You get the ones where they follow me talk now. Where will they talk? Fear what those boys they do.
You go shock.
And small children, you go, how you tell your brain? How you think this thing? How you take know what thing to put the code to put?
Even most of those stuff, all those innovations. When they credit to white people, if you check who they behind, you find out say some of us.
Some small boys.
Small boys. Now you say the white man your front say because I found out on me develop this, but go check. Now in Nigeria and Africa boy.
For America, the small boy they later use them take do movie. The small boy we hack NASA. They employ them now.
You see?
Yeah, they employ
That's
most
a later
of them.
employer.
They absorb them.
All right.
Anyway, moving forward.
How your, because I don't say they how your relationship with WOLI AROLE?
WOLI.
They resemble with beer.
Nah, my guy. WOLI AROLE, nah, my guy.
Okay,
because he see vision.
Now that vision I want to talk about for 2025.
Is it that vision? It's a wonderful vision.
But people never know. Maybe let them know waiting their vision. Because since that they don't wonder say waiting with the vision. Well, WOLI AROLE, he say he gets one vision and they share the warning for side chicks and sugar daddies. And we have one sugar daddy beside me. aka Sugar Zaddy. Public
Sugar Zaddy, yes.
Well, the comedian writer for Instagram say a lot of side chicks they go collect disgrace in 2025. He said 2025 is not a good year for girls that usually carry sugar daddies. Side chicks would be disgraced. Men that love young girls and neglect their wife, 2025 is your year of regret. Men and women repent. That's what he call it said now in prophetic lens. So
why all the prophecy they gears towards women? Anything we
the boy na Clatina.
Anything we women support, it don't go.
Clatina,
if you know, you know.
Go sit down there.
So now I first ask you how your relationship with him.
May go sit na Clatina.
So sugar daddy, how you want to do your sugar now?
Not all this prophecy now. Just say they want clat because you know say if you talk like this, some people, some wives go say, hey, you talk where they go. Let's follow him. Then all these ones that anything you see for social media, they do want to take appease you or to take win your heart. All of us are liars for social media.
AROLE, you are live on radio.
Now they lie that lie again, no.
What? Who give you that? You are live on radio. Who give you prophecy? Say side chicks then go. They be disaster of side chicks. Now God tell you. I mean, now you tell yourself.
Why you do this all for me like this?
You are on live radio, Prophet AROLE. Follow him on Instagram. What's his Instagram handle again? At WOLI
AROLE.
Official AROLE.
Official AROLE. So, what are the prophecies of 2025? Nedu. Leave Nedu. Say
talk your prophecy.
Talk your prophecy. Or the whole Lagos is listening to you.
It's a bad year for side chicks. I repeat it. It's a bad year if you know that you love married men. You can't. It's a bad year.
Okay.
You will be disgraced. You will be embarrassed.
By who?
And a lot of those men go use ladies for ritual.
Wow. Oh wow.
Well, now God tell you.
No. That's today they give prophecy where you use it.
Which one don't come to pass before?
I believe you. I believe you. But do you know it will affect the economy of the country?
No, mate, you not go get work
because Prophet, if we're being honest, most of the car lots where you see where they sell car, hotels,
apartments,
flights,
club,
it not go happen.
It will affect politicians. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't care about politicians. I care about the economy of the country. The way money, the velocity of money, I care about it.
It will be affected.
Exactly. So if that prophecy is going to affect the economy, so
and it will affect
you in turn. Bye the prophet.
You never think the prophecy when you talk. You not think I will.
You not think the prophet when you talk. Because if we're being honest, Baba Mo not lie. All the car lots, people, where did they sell motor? Where men they go there, check out how they go buy motor. They're not go they sell motor. Hotels not go they get bookings.
How many husband and wife you they see for club?
Apartment not go they get bookings. Flight companies not go they get bookings.
They go wreck.
Flight MPs, all of them, where they book flight for girls to come and spend 2 days. They're not go they do. Banks where they make inter-transfer money. They're not going to make all those charges. It will affect the economy in a very bad way. Sugar daddy industry is a wonderful industry. A lot of shops in Lekki Phase 1. It's because of
it's not as if they are making money.
It's not as if they are making money.
Yeah, sugar daddy they pay for rent.
They pay for rent.
I beg no verse. So sugar, how many people you don't pay rent for?
I beg avoid you. I'm not to that level. Avoid me.
Because you cannot be claiming the sugar
money?
daddy of Africa.
I'm not to that level.
They claim sugar daddy of Africa, not people of Nigeria.
But I don't pay rent for apart from sugar daddy. I'm not a sugar daddy, but I don't pay rent. I don't pay rent for one. I don't pay rent 2 times.
For people.
But no, the funny part
you
is
know,
say,
no.
I know.
You know the reason why this guy don't be talking you. Mommy G O D online.
But no, I not do anything with them. Now your friends why I help. Now your friends why I help.
Why they listen?
Now I help. R&B, I don't know if you get me.
Yeah, that we help people normally.
Now just help. So if you now beg a cry, come to me and say you get rent problem, so I should not help you.
Of course you will.
So me and you don't know now.
Although they say we don't know.
It's good for them. Make them begin it. Yeah, so people think say me and Becca they chop.
They no.
Daddy.
I swear. So it's good. Make they think.
They say me and the BB say we dey lalo by ourselves too. Self join.
Where this one for start?
What?
Who they blow this room?
My brother, you know the guy room where you go here, you see?
They blow him. That is not blowing a room,
bro.
We need to understand how people
How?
view.
Never, not even
you.
one.
They do. You know, I tell you how people they view you. That they view you from their own lenses.
Yes.
So, if person want talk around be right now who the person be for a head?
Now you go take
look.
Yes.
Say, if the person a very any person when they see girl without it no, he go think say na so misty. So that why we always get this kind of mindset and
make I break it down for you. You see, R&B, as person see you for outside. You see the problem now, we they use our hand create the problem for ourselves where we don't know. For example, somebody come outside, see you R&B for the first time. It's R&B plait hair. You don't it's R&B
profiling.
Now, naturally, inside himself, he don't create a picture of who he thinks say you be.
Without even knowing.
With nothing concern you with that with him creating that picture. Then now he already put you for one height waiting for up. Now tomorrow now he go somewhere R&B. Wonderful guy, look neat. That guy go get good house. You never tell him make he put you there. Then tomorrow something go come happen. Then you go hear the person go say, "Oh, I'm very disappointed at R&B."
Yeah, like say I don't understand.
Now you carry me put for where? I'm not saying now you
raise expectation.
Now you raise
expectation.
you just paint a picture of me what you feel say I supposed be.
Yeah.
Without even spending time with me to know me. If that person where you they paint for me to be now who I be. But guess what? Nobody give a bloody damn. That's why everybody say Magina winch.